The KEdry adjustable louvered awnings are strikingly beautiful aluminum-framed pergola-style awnings that utilize adjustable louver blades. These stylish and durable blades control and adjust the elements exactly the way you want it. Too much sun? Remotely adjust the louvers and you have the perfect outdoor climate you desire. Add motorized side shades to block the sun, or add a heat source to make your outdoor space as comfortable as you like it. Durability is key to this KEdry system, but it is its architectural beauty which makes it such a remarkable awning system. The KEdry works as a standard style of awning overhead or a completely freestanding pergola, gazebo, or terrace. It also has a perimeter gutter system that directs water down the vertical posts and away from you and your guests. The KEdry is just one of the dozens of options that the Best Awning Company provides. Contact us today and we'll happily come out to your home or business and compare your needs with your budget.